Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is the difference between core Java and advanced Java, and also we'll learn about AWT. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Java is divided into two parts, that is core Java and advanced Java. The core Java part covers the fundamentals like data types, functions, operators, loops, threads, exception handling, etc. of the Java programming language. It is used to develop general purpose applications, whereas advanced Java covers the standard concepts such as database connectivity, networking, servlet, web services, and etc. It is used to develop general purpose application. It is used to develop web-based applications. It does not deal with database, socket programming, etc. It deals with socket programming, DOM, and networking applications. It is a single-tier architecture. It is a multi-tier architecture. It is Java Standard Edition. It is a Java Enterprise Edition. It provides java.lang package. It provides java.servlet package. Abstract Windowing Toolkit, that is AWT, is the Java library containing the basic classes and interfaces that can be helpful in making graphics for gaming products, banking services, educational purposes, and many more. The interface between the user and application program is known as user interface. A user interface has multiple forms which ranges from commands to graphic clicks. AWT has a set of tools that are used in various platforms by including them in the graphical user interface. Every platform has its own GUI toolkit, and interface elements enhance the look and feel of the applications. AWT uses this toolkit. This approach is known as peer approach. All the elements like the button, text fields, scroll bars, etc. are called components. The class component is the abstract base class provided by AWT. Component represents an object with graphical representation. The container is a component provided by AWT which consists of several other components such as buttons, text fields, labels, etc. It is basically a screen where the components are placed at their specific locations. Thus, it contains and controls the layout of components. There are 4 types of containers in Java AWT: window, frame, panel, and dialog. The window is the container without borders and menu bars. To create window, one has to use frame, dialog, or any other window. The frame is the container which consists of title bar and menu bars. It can be container for components such as buttons, text fields, etc. The panel is the container which does not consist of title bar and menu bars. It can be container for components such as button, text fields, etc. To create simple AWT example, we need a frame. There are 2 ways to create a GUI using frame in AWT. First, by extending frame class, and second, by creating the object of the frame class. Let's take an example of AWT where we are inheriting frame class. Here, we import AWT package. After that, we have created a class which extends frame class. Then we use its constructor for initialization. Here we have created a button and set its text in parentheses. The setBounds method is used to set the position of the AWT button. Here we have used add method which adds button component on frame. Then we have used setTitle method which will set the title of frame. SetSize method sets the size of frame, and setVisible method is set to true, by which frame is visible. By default, its value is false. Here we are showing button component on the frame. Here we import AWT package. Then the class we created will directly create an instance of frame class. Here we have created frame, button, label and text field. After that, we have set the position of components in frame and also have added those components in the frame. We have set the title, size and visibility of the frame. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.